Top 15 YouTube channel topic ideas that you can decide to venture into. So guys, welcome back again to OZIQ, a channel that gives you all the things you need to know about YouTube topics, ideas and strategies. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the top 15 YouTube channel topic ideas. So number one on our list is video making channels. Then the second on our list is gaming channels. You can decide to start a gaming channel. You can decide to start a video making channel. All you have to do is to be consistent in any one that you are starting. Whichever one you are starting, they are all good, but you have to be consistent in them. Then the third on our list is educational channel. In this channel, you're going to be teaching people what they need to know and what they need to do about a particular thing or about a particular topic or whatsoever. So another one on our list is online business idea channels. So you give people tips on business ideas, what they need to do in order to start a particular business, or the type of things they need to do, or the type of business they need to do. Then we have another one, number 5th on our list, as online earning idea channels. So you tell people where they can earn online, where they can make money online. That is make money online channels. Tell people what they need to do to make money with a particular maybe site or whatever. Just tell people what they need to do online to make money. Number 6 on our list is yoga and fitness channel. You can start a yoga and fitness channel. Tell people what the type of yoga they need to do, the type of fitness they need to do, depending on what they are looking for. Is it a general body fitness, or is it that there is a particular thing they want to do based on that fitness? Just tell them what they need to do. Then we have another one, which is cooking channel. A channel whereby you'll be teaching people how to cook a particular dish, be it intercontinental dish, be it native dish, any type of dish. Don't teach people what they need to know and what they need to hear, and add value to your channel. Because if there is no value, if they come today and what you are teaching is not making sense to them, I don't think they are going to be coming back again. So all you have to do is to make sure you are teaching something that is right. Then another one that you can consider is number 8 on our list, which is beauty products and review channels. So this channel talks about different types of beauty products. All they do is to review. They talk about the product, how good, they compare different products, they tell you which one is better, which one is not better than the other. And if you are looking forward to buy this particular product, you'll be able to know that this one is better than this because it has this or it not have this. Then you review that, as in people looks for these review channels to know which particular product they will go for. So you can use it and start a YouTube channel today. You can use it to start a topic idea, to have your topic idea, and you start the channel, start talking about different products and how good they are and if they are not good. Then another one is this prank channel. People do all this, their prank channel, they prank people, they do this, they do that, comedy and so on. So if you can be doing something like that, it is a very good topic. It is a very good channel topic. You can do that, and people will also be coming to your channel to laugh out their sorrows, to make themselves happy. Then the next on our list is food vlog channel. This channel is all about food vlog. Tell people about different types of food. Tell people anything they need to know, or maybe the kind of dish that the kind of food a particular region eats, and why the other region does not eat that kind of food. Just do a food vlog for people and they will all listen to you. Then the next one on our list is guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to press on bell notification button. If you are still on this channel up to this moment, I am saying thank you. Then if you are seeing this channel for the first time, I am saying thank you, and please subscribe to this channel. Then the next one on our list is travel vlog channel. In travel vlog channel, what they do is it's all about you traveling to different places and telling people why this particular region is better than the other region, the characteristics of a particular place that you went to. Tell people, there are people on the internet looking for places they can go for maybe vacations or maybe excursions or just anything. Just tell them what this particular place has and the other one did not have it. So this one will also help people to come to your channel because they will be looking for more to add to what they already know, and they will be looking for places to go that is fresh. Then another one is roast channel. Then we have YouTube short channel. There are people that are basically on this YouTube street just for shorts. All they do is do short videos and posts, and they get it monetized, and they earn from it. So if you want to be doing a YouTube short channels, then you focus, the type of topic you want to be doing, you focus on it. But this particular one, for you to monetize short, you know what it takes. So it's less for you to decide on what you are actually going to be doing, if this is actually what you want or not. So if you are into shorts, just keep producing short videos and keep pushing it to the YouTube street. Then another one on our list is personality development channel. Yes, there are people on the internet on YouTube street that what they do is to talk about the personality development channels. So this particular one, you tell people how to develop themselves, how to work on themselves to become what they want to be, to achieve what a particular thing that they actually want to achieve in their life. So you help them to grow, you help them to develop themselves. So this is also a good channel topic idea. Then another one on our list, this one is not the last, it's the last but not the least, is stand-up comedy channel. So there are people on the YouTube channel that all they do is to come up there and watch some comedies and laugh and live. So if you can be doing this particular one and you are making people laugh, then this is good. If you can bring out different topic, different comedies that will be making people to maybe laugh, learn something. So some of the comedies you can actually learn something from them. So it depends on how you are coming up with it. So all you have to do is to continue creating videos on it. And again, there is one thing I want to tell you on this street of YouTube. One thing is that is so important is your consistency. Push out videos that are good, videos that people want to watch, videos that has values, so that at the long run that video will continue giving you values. Then another thing I want to tell you, the last number of it is, please subscribe to this channel, press on bell notification button so that you'll be able to know whenever I post new videos on this channel. Thank you.